Hey foodies, welcome to the channel. So I'm going to try and make this fried rice in under a minute. As you can see, we have the wok here. We're just heating it up. We're going to be adding in some oil. You can add sesame oil. Now let's go ahead and add the veggies. We're going to be adding in the veggies. We're going to steam it for a few seconds. Make sure that the pot is quite hot. Then we're going to be adding in some white rice, and we're using cooked white rice that we placed in the microwave for at least a minute so that the cooking process can go a little bit faster. So we're just going to give this a stir. Alright, we're going to put some of the fried rice to the side. Put some of the rice to the side. We're going to be adding in some more oil. Then we're going to add some baby shrimp. And these have already been blanched and cooked. We're going to stir this up. Repeating the process with some egg as well. Make some to the side. Add some more oil. Then we're going to combine everything. Alright, let's add some soy sauce. Let's add some stir-fried sauce. Let's add some seasoning. Alright, let's pour this out.